Introducing a new external mounting option for installing Tamarack Flexure joints. Tamarack Habilitation Technologies has developed an affordable, easy-to-install, durable, and effective fabrication option for attaching Tamarack Flexure joints to nearly any custom or off-the-shelf brace. Tamarack Flexure joint caps work great for thermoplastic, carbon fiber, and metal and leather bracing systems, and create perfectly formed cavities to optimize the fit and performance of your articulated orthosis. Tamarack Flexure joint caps are form-fitting to create a cosmetically appealing finish, and are available in black and natural color options. Each Tamarack Flexure joint caps package includes 2 upper and 2 lower cap assemblies, plus attachment hardware and shear band patches. You will also need a drill, a 3/32 of an inch drill bit, a 7/32 of an inch drill bit, a 2 or 2.5 millimeter hex driver depending on the size you're installing, and a thin tooth saw. We also recommend a Tamarack spanner wrench to hold the flange nuts in place, a punch to prepare the drill positioning, as well as a burring tool and torch to simplify the process and optimize your results. Begin by affixing the enclosed drill guide template to the medial and lateral sides of the orthosis, wherever you wish to articulate the device. The drill guide template features trim lines and hole positioning to ensure accurate fabrication and optimal device performance. A punch is used to mark the mounting hole locations. Precise hole positioning is essential to ensure the cap assemblies fit properly. Extend the trim lines on the drill guide template using a pencil or sharp object. Then pre-drill the holes with the 3/32 of an inch drill bit, followed by the 7/32 of an inch drill bit to get the correct hole dimensions. A deburring tool makes quick work of removing any plastic fragments from the drilling process. Cut the orthosis along the lines you etched in earlier. Clean up the trim lines using a sander, being sure not to sand past the trim lines. Each Tamarack Flexure joint caps package includes 2 number 1 caps and 2 number 2 caps, as indicated on the back side of the assemblies. You will use one of each number on the medial and lateral aspects of the brace. Installing the Tamarack Flexure joint caps is easy using the provided screws and flange nuts. Ensure that the directional arrows shown on the front of the assemblies face the opening of the device. A hex driver and Tamarack spanner wrench make quick work of installing the attachment hardware. Cover the flange nuts with shear band oval patches, provided with each package to ensure the client's skin is protected from any rough edges. If you'd prefer to countersink the flange nuts, follow this helpful fabrication tip. You can either use a counterbore or a Tamarack spanner wrench and heat source. Heating the flange nut will allow it to easily sink into the thermoplastic. Tamarack Flexure joint caps are the latest innovation in flexure joint fabrication by Tamarack Habilitation Technologies. For more information about Tamarack Flexure joint caps or any product by Tamarack Habilitation Technologies, visit www.tamarackhti.com or contact your preferred O&P supplier.